In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share someone's post to your story on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then search for a post you would like to share. Once you find one, tap right here at this paper airplane icon under the post and then hit Add to Story at that button. Then you will be taken to the story editor where you can resize the post or the reel in that case. Also, you can change the background, you can add there some text, stickers, background music, all this stuff that you usually use while creating a story on Instagram, and then just hit right here to share this story with someone's post shared in it. However, guys, not in each case you will be able to add a post to your story. In some cases, this option is unavailable because the user has disabled sharing their post or they have a private account. If you want to allow other people to share your post, you need to check the two settings. First off, you need to head over to your Instagram profile by tapping right here at your profile picture. Then tap at three lines here and then scroll down to Account Privacy. Here it says Public. If in your case it is set to Private Account, it means that no one, including your followers, will be able to share your posts in their stories. And on the settings, we need to check one more setting here. You need just to scroll down until you find Sharing and Remixes. And here, almost at the very top, we can easily find Allow Post and Reel Sharing to Stories. If you want to allow people to share your post on their stories, just turn it on. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.